all are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to create sun using Photoshop. So let's begin. This is my Photoshop. I have already selected a size for this sun creation. You can choose any size. So first of all, we are going to give black color to the initial layer, which is the background one. I am going to unlock it. I am going to give a black color using Alt Delete, which is a shortcut for giving this foreground color. Now I am going inside filter. There is options called render. Then I am going to select clouds. So I am again going inside filter, render, different cloud. Now I am going inside filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. So the value I am going to select is amount should be 86, radius can be 5.3 and threshold should be 0. Okay. Now I am going to give color to this background through image, adjustment, color balance. Here the shadows and the values should be as I told. You can play with the values, but for the specific color which I am going to show you will be there with the given values only. So these values will be shown at the end of the screen if you miss any. So you can check it later on also. So the color level should be 69. This will be 0. This should be minus 87. Again inside midtones 69, 0, minus 87. Now inside highlight this should be 83, 0 and this should be minus 72. I am going to select OK. Now I am again going inside this marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool. Using this I am going to draw a circle. Make sure you are pressing Alt Shift for drawing this for a perfect circle. I am going to drag inside the screen. Now go inside filter, distort, spherize, and the value should be 100%. Now again I am going inside filter, distort, spherize, the value should be 30. Okay. So I have done this spherical thing. I am going to cut it using Ctrl X or Command X. I am going to create a new layer using Ctrl Shift N, which is a shortcut for creating a new layer. I am going to give a black color using again a shortcut which is Alt Delete, which is used for giving foreground color. Foreground is a black color over here. Now I am going to paste that spherical thing on this black background with Ctrl V. Now I am going to give outer glow of a red color. Okay, let's make it little lesser. Okay, now I am going inside filter, sharpen, unsharpen. Okay, now your sun is ready. Now you want stars around it. For that Select the black background, then filter, noise, add noise. Make sure that you have checked this monochromatic, then the Gaussian, and amount should be 20%. Okay, now go inside image, adjustment, brightness and contrast. Make sure you have checked use legacy. Brightness should be 0 and contrast should be as per you want. Okay, so your sun is ready with the shining stars.